As you can see in this video, the cyclohexane is a non-planar structure and it is looking like a chair. This is chair conformer. But the point is why it is happening, why cyclohexane is a non-planar structure. So there are two reasons behind it. The one is a torsional strain and another one is a angular strain. That's why it is changing into planar to non-planar. Okay, actually this is the real structure is a non-planar. This is a not planar structure. Okay, the planar structure which we can see in the sometime in the structure, this is the 2D view which I show you in this video. So let's see what's the reason behind it. Because if cyclohexane were flat, so there is a bond angle would be 120 degree. You can see this angle. This angle will be 120 degree. Okay. You can see the carbon, this carbon is sp3 hybridized. sp3 hybridized, right? Means the angle should be 109.5 degree. This is the ideal angle of sp3 hybridized. But you can see there is a 120 degree angle if cyclohexane is a flat. So as you can see, there is a deviation from 120 to 109. This will create angle strain. That's the one reason for instability. The second reason is a torsional strain. Torsional strain. And how it will create? You can see in this structure, the ring is in the eclipse form, right? So here the both hydrogen, okay, they are in the same side in the eclipse strain, in the eclipse structure. So they will repel to each other. Right, they will repel to each other and they will create torsional strain due to hydrogen electron density. It will create another strain. This is torsional strain. That's the reason of instability of flatted cyclohexane. As you can understand, that's the real problem in the molecule. Now let's see how molecule will be overcome it. In order to attain the stability, it get non-planar, and staggered. Non-planar and staggered. Why it's a non-planar? If it will be get non-planar, it will remove the angular strain. Remove angular strain. And if it will be get the staggered structure to remove eclipse problem, or we can say to remove torsional strain. That means it will get the chair form. See in this structure, now the carbon is sp3 hybridized and the bond angle is approx 109.5 degree. It get the target 109.5 degree angle. And the bulky group or the hydrogen groups are arranged in such a way that axial and equatorial in this staggered conformation. Okay, so they don't bump into each other and reducing steric hindrance. As you can see. As you can see in all the video how molecule found it's a problem and solve all the stabilities issue and how it's get stable. This is the really smart view. I really like it.